No, 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 no. Glitch. Glitch, 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 glitch. Okay, I'm just gonna die. Oh no. Oh my god. No. Alright, I'm gonna die. I'm wrecked. Alright. Alright. So, glitch, 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 glitch. No, 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 glitch. Okay. Spawn. No. Load. Load boat. He's just showing off to the internet. Oh my god. Glitch is showing off to the internet. Look at this dude. Alright. We have this thingy. This is his boat. Alright. It's a pretty good boat. This actually makes it to the end. You probably don't believe it, guys, but it does. Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it does. Because you see these gray line things? They're all balloons, and he, like, floats in the air. Yes. Like, look at this thing. This is a beast. He just... Look at this, guys. Sick. Like, he just goes through the stages like nothing's happening. Just la la la, having a good time, going through the stages. Just look at this dude, man. Like, oh my god. Like, oh shoot, this stage. But he just goes through them like there's nothing. Like, dude, I like actually can't believe this guy. Oh, we might die in this stage, but it's alright. Come on, hopefully we don't die. Come on, Glitch. We have the steering powers. They're not very good though. Glitch. No, Glitch. Glitched. Glitch. Yeah, glitch. Yeah, we're gonna die, guys. Oh no. Glitch, come on. Come on. I know you can do this. Go through there. Oh my god, you saved our life. Okay, this stage is just easy. How are those purple balls still? Okay, never mind. Oh my god. There's not a block taken from this car. Like legit. This is like so strong. Probably is a block now. I'm dead. I'm gonna die. No. Glitched. Glitch. You. Okay, he's probably gonna die too. Oh, I died. Well, that was the adventure of this video. Just loading in Glitch's car. Alright, guys. Bye.